If you are trying to decide between Google Slides and PowerPoint, this video will help you choose the right presentation tool for your needs. Both are popular, both are powerful, but they work very differently. In this video, we'll compare Google Slides and PowerPoint based on ease of use, features, collaboration, design tools, offline access, pricing, and overall value. And for now, let's get started. Number 1. Ease of use. First, let's talk about usability. Google Slides is extremely simple and beginner friendly. Since it runs directly in your browser, there's nothing to install, and the interface is very clean. If you already use Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Drive, Slides feels similar to them. PowerPoint, on the other hand, has more tools and customization options, but the interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. That said, once you learn it, PowerPoint gives you much more control over your presentations. So in short, Google Slides is easier for beginners, PowerPoint is better for advanced users. Collaboration features. This is where Google Slides really shines. Multiple people can edit the same presentation in real time, leave comments, suggest changes, and everything saves automatically in the cloud. It's perfect for teams, students, and remote work. PowerPoint also supports collaboration now through Microsoft 365, but the experience still feels smoother and faster in Google Slides. If teamwork and online collaboration are your priority, Google Slides has the advantage. Design and presentation features. When it comes to advanced presentation features, PowerPoint is clearly stronger. PowerPoint offers more animations and transitions, better design customization, advanced presenter tools, more professional templates, AI features like Designer and Copilot integration. You can create highly polished and visually impressive presentations in PowerPoint. Google Slides keeps things simpler. It has the basics you need, but fewer advanced design tools. So if you create professional presentations regularly, PowerPoint is usually the better option. Offline access. PowerPoint works perfectly offline because it is a desktop application. Google Slides is mainly cloud-based. You can enable offline mode, but the experience isn't as reliable or full-featured as PowerPoint. If you travel often or work without stable internet, PowerPoint is the safer choice. Performance and file compatibility. PowerPoint handles large presentations, heavy animations, videos, and complex graphics much better. Google Slides can slow down with very large files or advanced effects. Also, PowerPoint remains the industry standard in many companies and offices. Sometimes PowerPoint files do not look exactly the same when opened in Google Slides. So for maximum compatibility and professional workflows, PowerPoint wins here. Pricing. Google Slides is completely free with a Google account. That is one of its biggest advantages. PowerPoint usually requires a Microsoft 365 subscription, although there is a limited free web version available. So if budget matters most, Google Slides is the better value. Which one should you choose? Choose Google Slides if you want a free solution, if you work with teams online, if you prefer simplicity, if you mainly create basic or medium level presentations. Choose PowerPoint if you need advanced presentation tools, if you create professional business presentations, if you want better animations and design control, and if you often work offline. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, neither tool is perfect for everyone. Google Slides is best for collaboration, simplicity, and quick online presentations. PowerPoint is better for advanced features, professional design work, and powerful presentations. For most casual users and students, Google Slides is usually enough. But for professionals, businesses, and heavy presentation work, PowerPoint is still the stronger option. So which one do you prefer, Google Slides or PowerPoint? Let me know down below in the comments. And that is it for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and turn on the bell icon, share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.